Hello everyone, hope you're doing all right. Thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you if this is your first time being here. So in today's video, as you can see over here, is about how to use superscript and subscript. So a superscript or subscript is a character that is set slightly below or above the normal line. It is usually smaller than the rest of the text. Subscripts appear below the baseline like so in this first example, while superscripts appear above, like you can see in this example. Superscripts and subscripts are often used in formulas, mathematical expressions, and specifications of chemical compounds. There are other aspects you can also use subscripts or superscripts in, such as in references or in applying dates. I'm going to give you an example or show you how I applied this. So I'm just going to click on that to delete the subscript so as to show you how to apply a subscript. So I'm going to take that off as well. So there's something important I really need you to understand here. So by the font group in the ribbon, you will see this aspect. This is your subscript, and this other aspect is your superscript. So in order to apply a subscript, you need to turn on the button. All right, you have to click on it. You see there that it's turned on. So to apply the 22, can you see? And once you're done, if I press the space bar and I keep typing, it's taking the format of the subscript. So what I need to do is to turn off the subscript button by the font group like so. Just click on it once, press your space key, and then you can continue typing, which is the normal key. All right, so sometimes people make this mistakes. I've seen a lot of people do that. And now to apply the superscript, okay, so you need to hover your mouse again, go to the font group and turn on the superscript. So this time I'm going to type in the 22 so you can see that. All right, so in the next example here, I want to apply a mathematical formula, which is x raised to the power of 2. So if I just type in 2, that's what I get, but I have to turn this on, which is the superscript, and then type in 2. So there I have my x raised to the power of 2. So I want to type in the chemical formula of water. I'll just press the enter key down, and looking by the ribbon and the font group, I'll see that the superscript is still on. I just need to turn that off. All right, so I'll type in the H, and before I key in 2, I have to press the subscript here by the font group and then type in 2. Then turn off the subscript. You can see that over there, and key in the 0. Now this is my chemical formula for water. So I hope you do understand this video. If this helped you, please click that like button, and I will see you in my next video for more tech tips like this. Bye.